Welcome! In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to disable those media processing pop-up notifications on the X app. If you've been getting constant interruptions on your screen every time the app processes media, this quick fix will help you turn them off for good. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your phone and go straight to your device settings. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage how your apps behave. Next, scroll until you find Apps and tap on it. This section gives you access to every application installed on your phone. Now, from the list of apps, search for X app and select it. You'll see different options that allow you to control storage, permissions, notifications, and more. Once you're on the X apps page, go ahead and tap on Notifications. This is where you can manage every type of alert coming from the app. From there, choose Notification Categories. This menu breaks down all the different types of notifications the X app can send, so you can customize and control them individually. Scroll until you find Media Processing and tap on it. This is where the specific settings for those pop-ups are located. Finally, simply toggle off Show as Pop-up. By switching this off, you're telling your phone you no longer want media processing alerts to appear on your screen as an intrusive pop-up. And that's it. From now on, you'll still get the notification if you haven't disabled it entirely, but it won't interrupt your screen with an annoying pop-up anymore. This small adjustment makes the app feel a lot smoother and less distracting, especially if you're multitasking or watching something on your phone. Whenever you want, you can always return to the same menu and turn the pop-ups back on. So go ahead, follow these simple steps and enjoy using the X app without unnecessary interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to apply it and make your phone experience more personalized and distraction-free.